here.
Madam, you and your children, and you and your daughter, huh? Wait. What happened? Okay. Hi, what is this?
You are looking fine.
It's fine.
Okay, madam. You and your daughter
Yes, sir.
came for the workshop.
Yes, sir.
What year was it, madam?
2018.
2018. Huh? In Bangalore.
Bangalore workshop.
And you came up and said your daughter has got
Bruxism.
bruxism. How long she had bruxism?
4-5 years.
4-5 years bruxism. You came for the class
Yes.
and we healed the bruxism.
Yes.
And the bruxism went off immediately.
That day
That
only.
day only.
That's
Never
all.
had it.
Never had it. So 2018 until now,
23.
23. So 5 years, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So cleared, huh?
Clear.
Very nice. You
I
know
should buy it for 2 hours straight.
2 hours
In
straight.
the when it's night.
Night.
Whoa.
When I was brushing, I could feel my teeth.
Powder.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
The grinding.
Yeah. I
You
should feel
grind
when I
the
was
teeth.
brushing.
Oh
I
my
thought I didn't brush
God.
properly.
Oh my God. So it's grinding, madam. It must be very, very hard then.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, could you hear the sound when she was doing
Yes,
that?
yes. It is like a grinder. Like
Grinder?
Yes. Yes.
Whoa. So now it's perfectly okay. Huh?
Yeah.
We have healed many people, man. We have healed many people. You see, I've known people in Mexico, in South America, where they are now 65 years old. Their tooth have all fallen down
Yes.
because of bruxism.
Yes.
They have lost a tooth, madam. They lost many tooth, madam. So that's why we're saying that we can cure bruxism if only they can understand how it works and the inner world connection.
Yes.
And what I told her about what inner world connection that she had.
She was getting 80,000 connections coming from China. That she was born earlier in China.
Past
Old
from
connections,
China.
connections coming from China.
Okay, so you must go and visit China. Huh? Go to the forbidden city.
China here.
Go to the you go to the forbidden city. Maybe you're one part of the Great Wall China, making the Great Wall China. You never know. Okay, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.